Hi there, thanks you for tuning into Stamp TV. Today I'm going to talk about who pays for repairs after home inspection. Stay tuned because at the end of this video I'm going to offer you a special report that you won't want to miss. Okay, I'm Kristen Stampini with Remax Services and this is Stamp TV. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. As a seller, make sure when signing a contract you fully understand its obligations, particularly when it concerns your responsibility for repairs. And rest assured, there's no need for you to fix everything a home inspector thinks could stand for improvement. A home inspection report is not a to-do list. That's what a lot of people think. Basic repairs fall into three categories. Ones that are pretty much required, ones that are typically aren't required, and ones that are up for debate. So here's how to know which is which, and this is what you need to do. So common repairs required after home inspection, you may want to think about getting repaired. There are some repairs that will be required before lenders possibly will release the funds to finance a buyer's home. And these you might want to do as well. So typically these address structural defects, building code violations, or safety issues. Those are the three things you have to look at. If a home inspection reveals such problems, odds are you're responsible for fixing them or the home's not going to close. So start by getting some bids from contractors to see how much the repairs might be and cost. So from there, you can fix these problems, or the more thing you can have buyers repair and you can credit it. However that has to happen, they're going to need to be repaired from somebody before the home closes. You know, this might be preferable since you won't have to oversee the process if you give it a credit, but if a lender requires it, it's going to have to be done by somebody beforehand. Home inspection repairs that aren't required, cosmetic issues, normal wear and tear, usually don't have to be fixed, but somebody, the buyer may want it. You don't have to do it. Some contracts will especially state that the buyers cannot request any cosmetic repairs to be made and can only ask for fixes to structural defects, building code violations, or safety issues. Furthermore, state laws may also impact your liability as a seller for any issues uncovered during an inspection. So be careful, sometimes that can be an issue. Be sure to check your local ordinances to know which fixes legally fall in your realm of responsibility as a seller. So home inspection repairs that are negotiable between repairs that are typically required and those that aren't is a whole gray area of repairs. So hopefully you got a couple tips today, and thanks again for tuning into my channel. Also reach out to me. I can provide you with an inspection tip that will totally help you in negotiations. And leave a comment below. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you next week. Bye.